Greetings, I'm Gordon Neufeld and I'm very pleased to invite you to a 3-day conference on emotional health and well-being in Edmonton in November. This is our third partnership with Jack Hirose, who we've enjoyed working with in the past. We decided to reach even deeper in this conference, content-wise, that is, into the heart of the matter, so to speak. Emotional health and well-being is certainly what matters most and is at the very root of issues in relationships, behavior problems, attention, immaturity, and even mental illness. I'm delighted to be sharing my keynote responsibilities with Dr. Deborah McNamara, a very gifted speaker, full of humor. I enjoy working with her immensely, and you will absolutely love our lineup of gifted Neufeld Institute faculty who will be presenting on various topics, walking all around this construct of emotional health and well-being. And once more, we will have my favorite interviewer of all time, Maria LaRose. I've so enjoyed working with her in the past, and she will be moderating a speakers panel as well as helping us in our Q&As. Although the focus is on children and youth, of course the material is universally applicable and therefore useful whatever role that one comes to this conference with. We usually have a good number of teachers, helping professionals, and parents are welcome to attend as well. Once more, the dates are November 25th to 27th. The venue is the Doubletree Inn in Edmonton. For more details, please visit the Neufeld Institute or the Jack Hirose Institute. I hope you can join us.